go, man. Russ, stay good, bro.
I want you to be alive. I want you to be alive.
I thought you was tapping.
No, you guys think you can feel it.
Oh, yeah. I'll bet I'll give you a demo.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good, man. How about you?
Good. What is going on in here?
What's going on?
How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Good.
This is Lyric from Get Loud Car Audio. My name's Cody from Get Loud Car Audio. These are Get Loud custom enclosures, subwoofers. This is the C&L design, Cody and Lyric design 15. Got some on the table over there that I'm showing off. I also have tons more, the GL8s.
Okay.
CM design 12s and 15s coming soon. It just recently sold out. They'll be available very, very soon also.
Okay. Get Loud Audio?
Yes, sir. www.getloudcaraudio.com.
Now, I heard somebody in the one other building had a Get Loud Audio amp. Do you have the amps in here as well?
Yes. I got two Get Loud 5500s. It's behind the rear door back here on the side of the wall.
Okay, yeah, we'll check that out.
I'm clamping roughly about 12,000 watts. Right now, today, my voltage is a little bit on the sucky side, so
Okay.
it's iffy.
What alternator power do you got on
I got a 390 amp alternator from Brand X Electrical. Okay. All Sky High car audio through the build 0 to 1, and then 80 amp hour Yinglong bank.
Nice subs, man.
Appreciate it. These
Nice
are all
brand,
USA made, strictly made by me.
Okay.
The ones that you can buy on the website will be made from California, but these are hand built, made by me. No, nothing's different. These are just trial and error, run subs. I finally got them where I wanted them. Started producing them from my builder in California and came out with them.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'd like to hear them, man.
Yes,
I've heard the amp before, now I want to see their subs.
Yes, sir. Maybe we can do good with this. Don't turn it on.
Making penny strip. This is DJ Rusticles.
I've been on the low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind. It feel like my life ain't mine. Who can relate? Ooh. I've been on the low, I've been taking my time. I feel like I'm out of my mind. It feel like my life ain't mine. I don't wanna be alive.
I'll give you a lower one.
Yeah, buddy.
Got them things smelling, dropping too low.
Yeah, yeah. But they're not smelling that bad though at all, man. You can smell a little bit of the coil, but you really can't, to be honest. I mean. Okay, there it is. I smell it now a little bit. Look at it.
Jackie is sticky. Neem me naar vloei en dan krijg je een dippie. Blauw met de stones, vandaar dat ik droom. Het haast een pizza voor mij en met chickie. Maar dat is die shit niet. Leef als een hippie. Ja, dat kost geld, daarom maak ik een dikkie. Ben je niet thuis, dan bak ik jou klaar. Zo was je mijn vriend, dan blijf je mijn pikkie. Het leven is... Grapje moet wel... Ben je geript, dan kom je bij mij.
tanking.
I'll show you the answer.
Yeah, let's look at them amps, baby. Woo, that would get it.
You on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh,
Is it on this side over here?
Yes.
Okay.
tell me your name and I'll subscribe.
Make sure
That's it.
Making petty destroyer.
There we go.
This is DJ.
Man, looks
Feel
good.
like my life ain't mine.
All right, appreciate it, man. Tell us your name again.
Cody from
I've
Get
been
Loud
on the
Car Audio.
road.
Cody, Get Live Audio. Tell us your website again.
www.getloudcaraudio.com.
All right. Hey,
Over here, I'll show you some of the subs.
all right. Y'all heard it. Make sure you get down in the comments and let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.
Die today.